Oh, from TVs to plywood, I'm full of shit. I'm the real deal, come on hood, that's the bitch. How I been riding Benzes, been getting chicks, been telling broke bitches that they could blow dick. I kept rapping, never stopped rapping, cause I knew one day that it would happen. Didn't happen, my claim to fame. And all of a sudden now my friends started to change.
This is Times Square, 42nd Street.
Transfer is available to 178
I'm a bad bitch and y'all already know. Ha 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 ha, Jackie O got a frame, I'ma keep it like that and I'm a sexy game. 3 deals, whenever a machine, give me my fair shot and I'ma make y'all believe. I ain't laying down, pussy nigga, I'm a writer. Can't take my crowd, pussy nigga, I'm a fighter. Them motherfuckers, I see you at the top. And all y'all that hate on me could blow tops. Fake ass friends talking all the bullshit. When you talking please don't be
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
You ungrateful hoes, I laugh at you bitches. The only way you see me now is in the picture.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.